Troweling it only. I'm just getting ready right now to mop on a layer of bits of baca. But this is yeah, just here at Marjorie Renholm's place in Surrey, BC. And I just wanted to take a short video of my second born son, Jake Morsch. 16 years old, you know. Finish, the authentic Swedish finish, and we can take a little looks around. It really is a very well, this hybrid finish job looked really good, so I'll take a quick video of it. Got some really beautiful color. Good afternoon, ladies and gentlemen. I'm Ken Morsch. This is All Hardwood Floor Limited. We're up here in the beautiful North Vancouver, rainy day, West Vancouver, North Vancouver.